Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Poppy Eats. Today I've got the new DQ thing, I can't remember the name of, the new Oreo Fudge Brownie Blizzard. It's the August 2020 Blizzard of the month. Just came out today or so, I guess. Maybe been around a week, I don't know. I've got one. This thing is vanilla ice cream blended with Oreo cookie pieces, brownie pieces, and cocoa fudge. So it should be chocolatey, should be good. I've got one right here for you. Check it out. Lots of ice cream, lots of chocolate. You can see those Oreo pieces popping through. I got the mini size. This little guy alone is 410 calories. After tax, it cost me $3.45. Was there no tax? It's $3.19. $3.19 for a mini. Let's give it a shot. See if it's worth the calories. Can't imagine it not being it. Look at this thing. Oh man. Yeah. Look at that ice cream. That works well. It's got the fudge brownie pieces. Gives it a nice chewiness. And then you got the Oreo for the crunch. And then because they didn't use chocolate ice cream, they instead put the cocoa and the vanilla. It's not overwhelmingly chocolate. It's just right. If you know me, you know I'm not a huge like chocolate ice cream, chocolate anything guy. So I was reluctant at first to try this. So I wanted to give you guys a fair review, but I love it. It's a little melty. So they must make this stuff the second you order it, and then 4 cars later I finally get it. Shouldn't be this melty. And I'm not trying to be that guy, so I didn't say anything, but their whole thing is here, they give you the Blizzard upside down, or the next one's free. They didn't give it to me upside down, and I see why, because it would have spilled everywhere. But, whatever. I think that's a dumb rule. I'm not going to call them out on that. I'm glad I got this. I was in a bad mood. I just did my first multi-restaurant compare review. It was the chicken sandwich challenge, or whatever I ended up calling it. And you got to try Popeyes, right? I've never had the Popeye sandwich, because the one time I tried to go there, they were out, and it's about 40 minutes from me. So, I can't just go out on a whim and get that. I really don't want to be the guy that calls Popeyes, like, hey, do you have the chicken sandwich? No, we don't have the chicken sandwich. Okay. The hype's died down. It's one of their normal items. It has been for over a year now. I figured they have to have it, right? Well, what's their greeting when you pull up to the drive-thru? Thanks for choosing Popeyes. We don't have the chicken sandwich, or something like that. And we don't have any chicken sandwiches. I'm like, well, shoot. Thanks. So that was a waste. So I felt really bummed. But we don't have a DQ in Harrison. There's a DQ out here. So I had to try this. It's fantastic. It's melting, so I got to shovel it down. Otherwise, it's not going to be that good. So I'm going to let you go. Again, DQ, Oreo, Fudge Brownie, freaking, I don't know. It's delicious. Give it a shot. Thanks, guys. Take care.